In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord installation failed error in Windows 11. If you're getting the installation failed error while setting up Discord on your Windows 11 computer, don't worry. This is a common problem that is usually caused by Discord still running in the background or by leftover application files from a previous setup. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. To begin, make sure Discord is completely closed. Move your cursor to the Windows taskbar, right-click on an empty area, and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, stay on the Processes tab and look for any Discord processes that may still be running. If you find any, click on each Discord process and select End Task. This ensures that no Discord files are in use while you're fixing the issue. Next, open File Explorer and click on the address bar at the top. Type %appdata and press Enter. This will take you to the roaming app data folder. Look for the folder named Discord. If you find it, right-click on it and choose Delete. After that, click the address bar again, type %local app data and press Enter. This opens the local app data folder. Once again, look for the Discord folder and delete it if it's there. Removing both folders clears any leftover files that may be preventing Discord from setting up correctly. Now restart your computer. A restart helps clear any background services and completes the removal of files that may have been locked during the previous session. Once Windows has restarted, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Discord website. Get the latest Windows version of Discord directly from the official source to ensure you're using the newest setup file. After the setup file has finished saving, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the Discord setup file and select Run as Administrator. This gives the setup the permissions it needs to create the required folders and complete the process without unnecessary permission-related issues. If you continue to receive the same error, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or security software that could be blocking the setup. After Discord has been set up successfully, be sure to enable your security software again. When the setup is complete, launch Discord and sign into your account. In most cases, the application should now open normally without displaying the installation failed error. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.